In today's video, we're diving into OverallGPT AI, one of the best newly released AI software that's been making waves in the digital space. If you've been on the lookout for cutting-edge tools to elevate your work or business, you'll want to stick around. I'm about to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. First off, OverallGPT isn't just another AI tool. This is a next-gen software that promises to streamline tasks with remarkable efficiency. Whether you're looking for content creation, customer support automation, or data analysis, this tool does it all with incredible accuracy and ease. What's impressive about OverallGPT is its powerful natural language processing capabilities. The AI is built to understand and generate human-like text, making it ideal for marketing teams, content creators, and even businesses looking to automate communication and generate ideas. But how does it actually work? Well, you can feed it any text input, and it can generate insights, offer suggestions, or even write full-length articles. That's a huge time saver for anyone who's had to manually churn out content or dig through data. One thing that really stands out about OverallGPT AI is its user-friendly interface. Unlike other AI tools that can be overwhelming for beginners, OverallGPT is designed with simplicity in mind. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started, and the software integrates seamlessly into your workflow. Whether you're using it for marketing automation or content ideation, you'll find it intuitive and efficient. Another big plus is the software's versatility. It's not just limited to one function, it's built to be used across a variety of industries. From small businesses to large enterprises, OverallGPT AI can help with tasks like drafting emails, improving SEO, generating product descriptions, and much more. It's a one-stop solution for companies looking to cut down on repetitive tasks and focus on what really matters. Now, let's talk about its performance. Based on my tests and feedback from others, OverallGPT has been remarkably fast. It can process and generate responses in real time, saving you hours that would otherwise be spent researching or writing manually. And the best part, it gets smarter the more you use it. The AI learns from its interactions and improves over time, ensuring your content and responses only get better. Something that I think really sets OverallGPT apart from other tools is its customization options. You're able to tweak how it responds and adapts based on your specific needs. Whether you're in e-commerce, digital marketing, or content creation, OverallGPT is flexible enough to tailor itself to your goals, making it a great choice for professionals across different fields. But here's the kicker, OverallGPT offers a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. That's right, you can experience the full power of this AI software without spending a dime. If you're curious about whether OverallGPT AI can improve your processes, I highly recommend taking advantage of this offer. The link to get started is in the description below. Now, I know many of you are wondering, is it really worth the investment? Well, after testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that OverallGPT stands out in terms of versatility, ease of use, and scalability. It's not just another tool. It's a solution designed to give you an edge in an increasingly competitive market. And before you go, don't forget that I've also included some of my top AI software recommendations in the description for you to try completely free. These are tools I trust and have used extensively in my own digital marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this OverallGPT review helps you make an informed decision. Let me know what you think of OverallGPT AI in the comments, and stay tuned for more insights and recommendations on the best AI tools available today.